To change the volume on your Amazon Alexa, you can talk to it, but if you don't want to talk to it, you can actually turn this ring on the top here. This is an Echo first generation, and if you look, when I go clockwise, when it's fully lit up, that means the volume is full. And if I was to bring it counterclockwise, anti-clockwise, you can see that that is the lowest, and it will flash at you to let you know it's the lowest. So Alexa, what time is it?
It's 2:56 p.m.
So that's nice and quiet. And if I go up here, that's now max. So what time is it?
The time is 2:56 p.m.
So it's a nice easy way to give you nice quick control. Obviously at the top here you also have a mic mute button. When it's in red like this, it means it's not listening to you. So what time is it? There you go, it can't hear me. So that's it. Nice, easy controls. Thanks for watching.